Are you curious about how to build a steady stream of semi-passive income through the ATM business? Well, you've come to the right place. At ATMdepot.com, we specialize in helping entrepreneurs just like you succeed in the ATM industry. Whether you're just starting or ready to scale, here's what we offer: ATM equipment and processing, top-of-the-line machines, and seamless transaction handling, wireless modems, reliable connectivity for uninterrupted service, network setup and deposits, timely direct deposits made straight to your bank account. Surcharge Income. You determine what you charge to use your ATM. A flat fee, a percentage of withdrawal, or whichever is greater. It's your business, and we are here to help guide you, and we won't nickel and dime you. Online access and real-time monitoring. That's real-time tracking of transactions, cash levels, and alerts. Notifications via SMS if you want. Monthly statements. Detailed reports on your income and transactions. Technical support. Expert help whenever you need it. Installation and training. Comprehensive setup and programming support. All this and more at no cost to you. We don't charge any setup or monthly fee to get your ATM up and running. For those who want even more, we offer membership programs packed with resources. Over 60 training videos. You can dive deep into the ins and outs of the business. Guides and cheat sheets. Simplify your journey with proven strategies. Exclusive discounts and perks. Member-only pricing and deals. Complete access to my ebook and full audio version of how to grow and start an ATM business. The ultimate side hustle. It's also a bestseller on Amazon if you want to just check it out. If you choose our Pro Plus Premium membership, you'll not only get everything I already mentioned, you'll get a personalized ATM business webpage for your company in your local market, complete local marketing support, and exclusive leads, plus special processing rates and much more. The fastest way to get your ATM off the ground. At ATM Depot, I've spent over 30 years in the ATM industry, helping thousands of entrepreneurs turn their dreams and goals into reality. I founded this platform to make the ATM business accessible and profitable for everyone. If you're ready to take the next step, visit us at atmdepot.com or join our Facebook group, ATM Business Entrepreneurs, where you can connect with the growing community of like-minded individuals. And before you go, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and click that notification bell to stay updated with tips, insider secrets, and real success stories from the ATM world. Let's make your financial goals a reality.